Assalamualaikum and hello YouTube, my name is Nur Muhammad from Watch, and we have another watch unboxing video. So I think I know what's the contents of this particular parcel, so I've been waiting for this parcel for about 5 days now, and yeah, and finally it arrived in my doorsteps, and let's see what's inside. So before we do that, let's do a quick wristwatch check. I am wearing the Seiko 5S Seiko 5S NK381, a very cute little military watch that I have done an unboxing before. So yeah, a full review will be coming soon in maybe 2 or 3 weeks time. So but let's see what's inside the plastic bag. So okay, so this is from my buddy Mr. Hakim from Johor, who is also a YouTuber, so you can find him at the Watch Cheapo YouTube channel. This blade is very dull, so I need to sharpen it out. So let's see what's inside the box. Let's just tear the box like so, and let's see what's inside. Right, so before I hurt myself, I should just put that one inside. So yes, nothing's inside, and we have my I've borrowed a few of his watch, and he also borrowed one of my watch. So I am basically I borrowed 2 from him, and he returned me my Proxima Scuba Master. Right, so here's another one up top. Maybe they will do, maybe this will do. Okay, yep, and we have tons of plastic here. Okay. Oh my god, this is totally well packed. Thank you very much, Hakim, for doing this. Okay, so maybe he doesn't really want to scratch the box. Okay, oh my god, this is too many, so I'm gonna pause. And we have the actual box inside, so let's see what inside. Drum roll please. Alright, so okay, I believe it is this box contains my Proxima Scuba Master. Right, okay, so one is this Proxima Scuba Master. This is my own watch. Right, so still in still in great condition, I think. Yeah, not bad. So it's okay, no problem. And the second one is this Casio Duro 100, and this one is a Casio Duro 104. Right, so you don't really see these guys in the wild, right? So pretty cool watch, I must say. Right, so very nice. Right, so yeah, I miss you, man. How are you doing? Alright, so the Scuba Master is still intact, so nothing nothing breaks or whatsoever. But yeah, still I will check this thing. I miss this watch. Alright, so but damn, that is quite a nice watch. Check out that blue dial. Right, so that blue dial is quite nice, guys. Okay, yeah, the bezel is a bit wobbly in my opinion. I haven't seen, I don't really know which market is this Casio for, but quite nice there. But on this one, however, is a Japan market model. Right, so you've got that black dial. I think it has some kind of a wave pattern inside. So okay, the bezel is a bit mushy. Not that not that convincing, yeah, but still, for something that is that costs about 50 bucks, no complaints there. So we have that Marlin logo at behind of the watch. And what about this one? Yep, we have the Marlin logo again. So this thing feels so much heavier, and it looks like a Vostok Amphibia, I think. And check out that what do you call this, lug width. That's definitely not 22 millimeters. Is definitely, maybe it's 24. Yeah, we will see. All right, so please give me a comment right down below if you which one of these two particular watch that you want to see. This is the MDV 104, this is the MDV 100, and yeah, I'll see you soon with the full review in maybe 2 or 3 weeks time. I'll see you soon. Until next time, bye bye.